So I recently learned Dominoes and it's quickly become my favorite game. So much so that I have like 3 different sets of this. This one's gonna be my favorite. But when traveling, something like this, even though it's pretty cool to use, it can be a little bit big. So I end up getting this travel set. And this thing is so tiny. It's like, I mean, here's Uno, for example, and then here's what this is. So this is real small. It's easy to travel with. Come in this nice little pouch. And these dominoes are like tiny in comparison. So here's what this domino looks like. And then compared to like an actual one, like an actual size one, here you go. Here's a regular sized one, and then here's the mini sized one. And look at that difference. And now look at the side. Yeah, this is like less than half of the width. I think you could see it better there. Yeah, it's less than half of the width of the full domino. This thing is tiny, so it makes it real easy to travel with. I can put this in my pocket. Yeah, I can definitely put this in my pocket. And here's a closer look at it with the pouch. So now whenever I go somewhere, I just take this. I can put it in my pocket or just put it in my car. And I'm ready to play dominoes on the go. But yeah, that's a quick look at the mini domino set.